for love in the beautiful cities. I looked for love up in the air. I looked underground, though I knew that I shouldn't, and still no love was anywhere. I went to the place they call heaven. I went to the Hotel Amour. I sat still and wrote love some letters, but love doesn't read anymore. I sang love into my stories, and I danced love into my dreams. But love didn't find me, let alone blind me. Love is nowhere, it seems. I looked for love by pretending I wasn't. I looked for love close to the bone. I fixed up some wings and I bought all the permits so love could take flight when it was grown. I followed the maps, I read all the signs. I bought love a building called home. I filled in the forms and I paid all the taxes. Still, love left me alone. My heart's still jumping out of my skin. I've nothing to keep the feeling in. I've nothing to do to make love stay. I've nothing to keep the darkness away. You're all in the grandness of little things. A leaf that's shaped like a heart. A simple breeze, a feather. Morning light, evening star. And I'm singing to you in my stories, and I'm dancing with you in my dreams. Now, love is everywhere, it seems.
And that was for Kevin from Push Studios, who told me about this lovely music by Meow Meow, and whose sessions at Boulder Hall on Friday morning I missed so much. So may we soon get back to normal life.